Hi guys, I found this paddle blade, or beater some people call them, on Amazon. Now this thing is so cool. Let me show you this, guys. What this is, it's got this silicone around the edges so it actually scrapes the side of the mixing bowl. That way you don't have to do it. No more digging around with the spatula to make sure everything is blended in. It's going to make sure your mixture gets nice and homogeneous, and there's not a lot of material left around the sides going to waste. So we're going to go ahead and put it to work and see what we think.